Right, hello everybody and welcome back to UrbanPointFilms. Welcome back to the TRAINRIDE Series. We are in Cardiff at Heath High Level Station. Here to get a Class 769, which is one of the new bi-mode trains, which runs on both diesel and electric. And we're gonna go take a little trip on that for you today, guys. And we'll overlay a bit of the history on that, of course. I believe this is the southbound platform towards Cardiff and Penarth. And we're gonna quickly buy a ticket because we haven't got one yet. Cafe's still not open. Disappointing.
We are now at Cardiff Queen Street. This train is for Penarth.
There's Cardiff Prison, look at that. Apparently there's toilets on here. So, apparently there's toilets on here. That's something you don't often get on the old Sprinters. Nice red handles. actually toilets on here.
This is a message from the government about coronavirus. It's important.
Section.
The next stop is Cardiff Central. Thank you.
So we've got toilet facilities on here. Apparently toilets. Yeah. Let's have a little look. Review of the toilets. Pretty standard. Somebody's left an empty packet of crisps in here.
Toilet door is locked.
So yeah, a bit like the IET's Great Western Railway. You've got the toilets with all the buttons so you can lock the door with the handle. Got a little emergency button there as well. Somebody's left an empty packet of crisps. Litter bug around. Come on. Can't say a lot I litter my car, but however, nice blue toilet. Don't know why they've used blue in here, to be honest. Just I thought red was Transport for Wales colour scheme. A little button for flushing the toilet there. And then please do not place sanitary towels, and you got baby changing here as well. You got a little bin here too. Chucking away sanitary towels and nappies and things for babies. There we go.
Toilet door is unlocked.
And we're approaching Cardiff Central. Just gonna, I think it's quite a good vantage point here. You've got wheelchair storage as well. Wheelchair ramp storage for the ramps, which this is one of the main reasons why these trains were brought in. These new 769s, because of accessibility reasons. So a lot of the old Pacers and Sprinters that used to Transport for Wales used to use, especially on the Cardiff commuter lines, being the City Line in Cardiff, everything like that, with the main issue being accessibility for disabled people. So got a couple of, we've got a cross-country turbo star down there.
What I find
Yeah, look. Still got a lot of the Sprinters though. I think the 769s are mainly on the city lines now. That's what we've just been on. Goes up to Corrigan. And we've got the Valleys line now. They've largely knocked down the Brains Brewery now. They've still got the chimney though. There it is. Done a lot of development down there now. That has changed.
We are now at Cardiff
They've knocked most of the brewery down, that's all that's left of it.
Mae'n bwysig bod pawb yn helpu wach ar bobl hŷn, a phobl sydd â cyflyrau iechyd traed y coronavirus. Os oes gen
That looks newish. That wasn't there before, so Cardiff Central, they have changed a bit since I was last here. I like this little section though, a bit lower down, a bit more cosy.
A dilynwch at cyflog negyddol arbenigol. Dim ond os ydych chi'n methu mynd ar lein, neu os bydd eich dyrchomain gweithredu, dylech ffonio NHS
Nice weather today though.
Bydd y mwyafrif helaeth y bobl yn gwella'n iawn gallai. Gwarchod eich Heath is a message from the government about coronavirus. It's important we all help to protect older people and those with existing health conditions from coronavirus. If you or anyone in your household has a high temperature or a new and continuous cough, even if those symptoms are mild, you should all stay at home. Don't go to the GP or hospital. Instead, go to nhs.uk to check your symptoms and follow recommendations.
There we go, it's a Sprinter there.
The next stop is Grangetown. Thank you.
So yeah, they're supposed to be introducing tram trains on the city lines as well here in Cardiff. I'm not sure when that's happening yet, but they're supposed to be introducing tram trains rather than the existing Sprinter units that they use currently, because these are used on the Valley lines, 769s on the Rhymney Line, which goes up through Queen Street, Heath High Level, and Lenishan and Lisbon and Thornhill in Cardiff, and then joins up to Caerphilly further up.
Grangetown.
So if you're going up towards Caerphilly and Rhymney, then you go on these units, 769s, and it goes through parts of Cardiff, Grangetown, Queen Street, Cardiff Central, Heath High Level, and Lenishan and Lisbon and Thornhill as well, and then down into the Vale of Glamorgan. But yeah, they haven't introduced these on all the lines yet. They're supposed to be introducing a new unit, which they currently use. They've recently started using in the West Midlands. I forgot what it's called now. I'm sure one of you could probably tell me in the comments section below. But yeah, this is the 769 bimode unit, which operates both electric and diesel. If you can hear that little noise there, that's the oh yeah, there we go, got it on my phone. First time on one of these units as well, 769s. Do you know when they're supposed to be introducing more of these units? Because I know they're only on one of the lines at the minute.
They're only just on the Rhymney Line, not even to Banana.
Yeah.
I couldn't tell you, sorry, mate.
Oh, that's okay, yeah. It's alright. Seven 6.9s. It's a little spur there. The other platform. It's an island platform here. I think they've done a few updates here as well. The new seats they got. Old sign. A lighting at Grangetown, a lighting for Cardiff City Stadium. Union Park. Yes, it was. And there's a Sprinter passing by over there.
We are now at Grangetown. This train is for Penarth.
Negell symud llywodraeth i'w honna'n y coronavirus. Mae'n bwysig bod pawb yn helpu werthau'r pobl hŷn a phobl sydd â cyflyrau iechyd traed y coronavirus. Os oes gennych chi neu unrhyw un yn eich caffi yn Herefordshire neu bellach
I'm getting off here.
hyd yn oed os ydych symptomau hysgen, dylai pob un ohonoch chi aros doctor. Peidiwch â mynd i'r sefyllfa nac i'r ysbyty. I lle hynny, ewch i NHS.UK i wirio'ch symptomau a dilynwch at cyfnod meddygol arbennig.
The next stop is Dingle Road.
Dingle Road. Some 6.9. Now moving again. Next stop Dingle Road, so we're just, yeah, I think it goes single track, that's why we had to stop here. Passing point. Don't know what they're doing here though. It's 35 miles an hour.
We are now at Dingle Road. This train is for Penarth.
Negell dal llywodraeth yw hon am y coronavirus. Mae'n bwysig bod pawb yn helpu wach ar pobl hŷn, a phobl sydd â problemau iechyd traed y coronavirus. Os oes gennych chi, neu Untitled Chapter, sy'n heren y ffeld i bellach newydd a chyson, nid yn oed os ydych chi'n tomau nesgan, gyda pob un ohonoch chi ar y sector. Peidiwch â mynd i'r sefyllfa nac i'r ysbyty. Yn lle hynny, ewch i nhs.uk.
The next stop is Penarth. Thank you.
So guys, we're now at the final station.
We are now at Penarth, our final station.
There we go.
Negell dal llywodraeth yw hon am y coronavirus.
Penarth.
Mae'n bwysig bod pawb yn helpu wach ar
Thank you. So yes, we're at Penarth now. Final station. Just going to get to the front of the train, get a shot from there. And yeah, so I'm going to head back in a bit. We're just going to have a little walk through Penarth. And that will be the end of this video. Got my lapel mic, so the audio isn't muffled by the wind or anything. And we will see you all in the next video.